Priyank, you should speak.
She said that if there are not birds in surroundings, means there are not birds in the sky in your surrounding. Yeah. So there are not birds in the surroundings because of the mobile.
Not more than people use mobile.
What?
Not more than people use mobile.
You said that if there are not birds in the surrounding of you, how the mobile rays can kill them? So the rays come from the towers of the mobile, and anywhere there is the presence of bird, like you see mobile, there is not presence of bird in your surrounding, but at a time in world millions of people use mobile, so the birds are surround them.
I accept your point, but in the mobile is we can message from one person to another.
I speak again, you can also send letters.
So it takes time.
It will take time.
It will be. So if you send letters and if you also see mobile and I speak again, the can kill the birds and it is harmful for birds and it is also harmful for your eyes.
So we wear specs.
So many people think that it is not harmful, and I see many people, they use mobile of many times and they don't wear specs. They wear specs when this is much critical condition.
No, man.
Yes.
No.
Much of the people don't wear specs.
Yes, all the people wear specs.
All the people use mobile in
Look
current
at
time,
me.
and not all the people use specs in current time.
If you are saying that the people are not using the specs in the current time, how they study?
How
Without
can they
specs?
study?
Without specs, they can able to study. These specs are for those whose eyesight is weak and or who study very deeper from the book, like very closer, keep their eyes very closer to the book.
So the book letters are very small.
So if
they
you have good eyesight, you can see them. And if you said that the people also wear specs because of the study. Hmm?
Yeah.
So if the people wear specs during study, yeah, not all the people have much eyesight weak than they study, and when you are, it is necessary to read books when you are a children, and if of a being a general child, the eyesight is very good, not a much fewer.
In modern times, the children also wear specs.
Yeah, I accept the children wear specs, but not all the children. Much of the children don't wear specs. Only few. In your class, you see the ratio of the children wear specs or not. The children not wear specs is greater.
Yeah, some people also wear specs.
So some people, not all the people.
So they not problem to read.
And how can you say that they wear specs only about the study? They can also wear specs of the mobile. And in many of the cases, the specs are wear by the persons because of mobile, not by the books.
When example, if you are going outside and the soil is upper, then the soil is inside the eye, so we wear specs. So we also necessary to wear specs.
We don't we specs like spectators, not a very eyesight specs general. When the people wear these spectators, which is fancy like.
No, some.
Yeah.
No.
If they want to, like you ride a bicycle or a car, no. If you ride a motorcycle, then you wear specs of and in the night you ride a motorcycle, then you wear specs for protecting your eyes from the flying insects. and these specs are generally spectators, which is fancy and no harm to your eyes.
We also wear the helmet also.
So,
So it can
you say
save
I
eye from the insect, flying insect.
I give you only an example because you say that we can wear specs from protecting our eyes from sand.
So the helmet also protect.
Okay,
What
keep
do
your
you
point
want to
again.
say, please?
Another point you can keep. You should not stuck only one point. Okay. Another point. What do you have? In a favor of your point.
Mobile is used for entertainment.
Okay.
But many of the like in the current time, the parents of the very small children make them a habit of mobile, and they don't even eat food without mobile.
In some cases.
No, in all
cases.
many cases I see.
I can't see.
Why?
I didn't see.
But in current time, there are many of the small children who see the mobile don't eat food without mobile, and and when they grow up, the situation is very critical.
So their parents can understand that.
So the parents can understand them, like your parent is seeing mobile and your child is also seeing mobile, and he can also weep for taking the mobile. What parents do? They can beat him. They can't beat
So
him.
they can choose a right path.
How can I understand? It is a very small child.
If they are, because if they are a small child and the parents can beat him, and the children know that if I take mobile, the parents.
This is a very small child. How he can understand?
He understand.
How a small child being able to understand?
Okay, another point you should not describe one.
We can search from mobile anything.
What?
If you
You can also read newspaper, magazines, or learning things.
the questions are not any newspaper.
School questions.
Yes,
You can also discuss with your teachers.
it take time.
So,
So we take mobile and then
it
discuss.
so it harm your eyes, and it is
So we
bad.
expect.
I say that this thing again, that all the people don't think that their eyes are very weak by the mobile, so they don't wear specs in current time, and they can see the mobile without wearing the specs, and they can wear the specs when they consult to the doctor their eyesight is weak. Then
I accept your point, but when we are take answers from the current from first and first, so we take that.
so it is better to ask from the teachers, from
The
the
teachers
from the eyes.
don't learn anything.
The school questions are known by the teachers. All the like there is a
If
book,
they are out of the syllabus,
so they can tell you next day by reading the books, and
okay, the books are.
the mobile also make you very lazy.
No.
Yes, because there is always all the things you want to you done with your mobile, and many people I see mobile through the day, and they don't go outside for walking and other
In
things.
many cases, because they have important work, so they can use. In another not cases.
No, there are all. The mobile is used by important works in small, and the bad things in larger.
The parents can see.
They can not do work. They can see the student their child for 24 hours.
So the child do not watch the mobile 24 hours.
Like he saw mobile for 2 or 3 hours. The parents don't have time to sit with them.
Yeah, they have a time.
How?
How if they are after taking food, they can sit there.
Your mother or father or both in all the family, like in the current time go to job, and your father is go to job, and in some cases mother is also go to job or do household work. So how they get time? They get time from some time, like in 30 minutes they check the student, after 30 minutes. So what when they come then the children can change their space, and the parents thought they studying, but he is doing bad things in mobile.
So the parents
And when the parents come near the children, and the children see that the parents is coming, so they can change the screen, and the parents think that our child is studying in the mobile, but their child is doing bad things in the mobile. And there are also like many links come in the mobile, and the small children don't know.
Okay, what are the benefits of the mobile? What are the usage of the mobile? Please tell.
the mobile is used to do searching anything,
Okay.
and exploring the world, what are happening in the present, and is used to find the place in such as a globe and maps, and it can help how to do solving questions, and it can help our entertainment and many uses.
Okay, to what do you want to say?
In solving question, you can discuss with your teachers, and of you say you find location. You can also take a GPS.
If you are saying that the teachers are also solving the questions, if the teacher don't know the solving the questions, he also searching from the mobile.
Oh,
in modern times.
You see, the teacher at home.
Yeah.
You see the teacher see mobile in their home. You go with the teacher with their home.
But they search from the mobile.
How will you know if you don't go with them and don't see?
Because it doesn't have idea about it, so they can searching from the mobile. If they are not telling the answers immediately, how they can
They can also
take
read.
time to how they don't know.
How they can read the books. There are also many information which they can forget from their mind, and they can come in the mind from taking time, and they can discuss with the student next day from the reading in the books.
So they also check the answers from mobile.
No, there are also answers written the books.
In some books also.
What?
Not. The answer sheet is available.
There is in the like competitive books, there are also answer sheet. The answer sheet is not as given in the like in sample papers, and if you want to do a mock test, there is not answer sheet is given, because there is a test is there in the book. But if you want to like in general study or questions in the book which you want to learn, there is answer sheet in book.
Such like that in modern books such as science, maths, they have no the
Yes, they have answer sheet.
no they have
Yes.
no answer sheet.
They
The
have-
questions are asking a man is giving the answers, not
In current time, there are all the books have answer sheet, and if you talk about the school books, the science and math books are also have answer sheet.
No.
Yes. In your school, there is no answer sheet in the science and math books? No. Which science book is yours, Esther? There is no answer sheet. Of what?
Okay, thank you.